Stepping away from a musical growth or music recording level,
Mm.
yeah, it's not an easy thing. It's a big step, by the way.
Yeah.
So, looking to that, will that change your music? Will we hear a different, or will we see a different Breezy Latimo?
Uh, what people have to know is that Breezy Latimo is an active musician. I'm talented by God's grace. There is nothing I feel like is gonna break me down, because even if I'm working with you today, you're a great leader too at what you do. And if you see me messing up as a brother, you will come and tell me. So whoever that is outside there, if they see me messing up, I expect somebody, no matter how big, small you are, I don't undermine anybody. You can come and tell me, this is not how it's done. This is how it's done. And that's the way forward. So I want to say Breezy Latimo is not going to change, but instead is going to add. Yeah, I'm progressing. I'm not degrading. That thing is not there.